way there. So sorry about that. I just had to close the door. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna do a sound test on the Bose Soundlinkmini. Show you a look around. And you should watch my last video. I made Bose Soundlinkmini review. So watch that first. I couldn't do watch that first, then you'll see the reason I couldn't do the sound test in that video. So today I'm gonna do the sound test on the Bose Soundlinkmini. Turn it on. It's paired up already. Okay, let me just turn it out. Sorry people. Okay, it's on full volume right now. First I'm gonna play a regular song and then a bass boosted song. So first song I'm gonna play is Lean On by DJ Snake and Major Lazer. There you go. Let me just play it right now. This is gonna be on full volume. Sorry people. Just have to. Full volume. It's full volume. Here we go. Not long ago, when you walked on the sidewalk, innocent and unfair, all we did was care for each other. The night was warm, we were bold and young. All around, the wind blows, we would only hold on to let go. Look, it's America, we need someone to lean on. Look, it's America, all we need is somebody to lean on. Look, it's America, we need someone to lean on. Look, it's America, all we need is somebody to lean on. Hi, I'm back. This thing was on full volume. Again, the song was "Lean On" by DJ
DJ Snake and Major Lazer. And now I'm gonna do again Lean On by Major Lazer and DJ Snake, but bass boosted. So it's on full volume again. Again on bass boosted.
All we did was care for each other. The night was warm, we were golden young. All around, the wind blows, we would only hold on to let go. Look, it's fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Look, it's fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Look, it's fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Look, it's fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. What will we do when we get old? Will we walk down the same road? Would you be there by my side? Stand aside as the waves roll over. From the nights I all in for you to come home. All around, the wind blows, we were only on to let go. Look, it's fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Look, it's fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Look, it's fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Look, it's fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on.
Sorry, no.
वॉल्यूम थोड़ा कट कर ले सारे जल्द पड़ोसियों
Hurry.
जी कुछ नहीं ना घर थोड़ी है ताने
Yes, I'm going.
the house they will come immediately.
Sorry, my grandpa just needed to get his medicine. Like, sorry about that, guys. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for watching, and hit the likes down below and subscribe. Leave any comments how you like this video. And I almost forgot. My next video is gonna be things about the Bose Soundlinkmini you didn't know. Actually, no, sorry. Bye.